Hello and welcome to X Analytics. In this video, I'll be talking about 4 resources that you should use to learn DAX. But firstly, what is DAX? DAX, or Data Analysis Expressions, is the native formula and query language for Microsoft Power Pivot, Power BI Desktop, and SQL Server Analysis Services tabular models. That's a long definition, but in Power BI specifically, we can create 2 primary calculations using DAX. The first one being calculated columns and the second one being calculated measures. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the first resource that I'll be sharing with everyone is the sqlbi.com. This website has a free course called Introducing DAX Video Course, which is led by what I call the gurus of DAX, that is Marco Russo and Alberto Ferrari. This free course has 32 video lectures and goes over the curriculum over here, which is Introduction to DAX, Table Functions, Evaluation Contexts, Understanding Calculate, Relationships with Evaluation Contexts, Time Intelligence in DAX. And as you can see, it's a really highly rated course, and I strongly recommend anyone starting with DAX to begin their journey through this course. Once you're done with this course, the second resource which really helped me understand the basics of DAX was going to YouTube and looking for tutorials. The best tutorial that I can recommend is when you search Beginning Power BI DAX by Pragmatic Works, which is an amazing channel. You'll come across this 3-hour-long video which goes into a lot of detail about how DAX works, along with a number of practical examples. The best way to learn, for example, you're learning max function over here, which is with 2 x's, is by actually having 2 screens where you can practice on one screen by simultaneously looking at what is being done on the other screen. Now, if you want to get really good into anything, it's important to have that in-depth knowledge. If you want to go from that beginner to having an understanding and a comprehensive one about this language, I would recommend reading The Definitive Guide to DAX by Marco Russo and Alberto Ferrari. You can find this book on Amazon for $31 in the Kindle edition and about $63 as a paperback. As DAX is a programming language, it's impossible to just read and learn a language. So when it comes to actually writing DAX code, the only thing that helps is practice. I would suggest starting with a website like wiseowl.com. Over here, wiseowl.co.uk, my apologies. Over here, you can find about 20 to 30 DAX exercises ranging from relatively easy, average difficulty, all the way up to higher than average or harder than average difficulty. Going through these exercises, when you click on one of these exercises, you actually find that there is a file that you can download where you can import data into Power BI Desktop and start working on your DAX query. And that's it. These are the top 4 resources that I would recommend in learning and starting a journey with data analysis expressions. If you found the content helpful, please subscribe to my channel as there is lots of content coming in the future. Thanks for watching and have a great day.